Hello, welcome back. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to beat the Cleanrot Knight. Now, this guy is pretty easy, depending on what you have. First, I'm going to start with my Wondrous Physic, and then let's go ahead and cross over. I am using the Bloodhound Finesse. It's a pretty good weapon early on in the game, and then I'm just going to summon Tish. I was able to get Tish pretty early in the game through a little glitch, and I have a video on how to do that, but I think the glitch was patched. And so you just can go right up to this guy, just give it to him. Keep swinging right out there. You don't have to really dodge if you want. Just go right after him, and you just need any kind of a summons to keep him busy, and he just takes a few hits and he's out. So really pretty easy to beat this dude. Hopefully this helps. Let me know in the comments.